Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Today in maths class, we will learn greatest number and smallest number along with ascending order, descending order from 1 to 50. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. When we move from downstairs to upstairs is called ascending order. Children, always remember that in ascending order, number always keep on in increasing order. Look at these numbers. Numbers are 17, 15, 19, 16, 18. They are not in ascending order. Mr. Bunny wants to go to up and to get the carrot, but for that the number should be arranged in ascending order. So children, let's all help Mr. Bunny to go up and get his carrot. Tell me which number comes first. Yes, the smallest number comes first. The smallest number is 15. Then 16 comes. Next is 17, followed by 18, and last is 19. So the children, smallest number is 15 and greatest number is 19. In this way, we understand which number are smallest and greatest. Let's arrange the next group of numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 32, 31, 29, 33 and 30. Let's start to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Which is the smallest number? Alright beta, 29 is the smallest number and it comes on the first stair. 29. After 29, which number comes? Yes, 30. Then 31. After that, 32, followed by 33. Among these numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, tell me which is the smallest number, beta? Well done. 29 is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? 33. 33 is the greatest number. Yes beta, next topic is descending order. Understand beta? Next topic is descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Children, descending order means arrange the numbers from big to small. When we move upstairs to downstairs, keep it in mind in a descending order the number always keep on decreasing. Now children, after eating the carrot, Mr. Bunny wants to go back to his home. Let's help Mr. Bunny to get down by arranging the numbers in descending orders. The numbers are, let's start beta, descending order with these numbers. The numbers are 47, 45, 43, 46 and 44. Student, which number comes on the top? It means first of all we will take the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? Yes, very good. 47, then 46, 45, 44 and last one is 43. Well done. Means now which is the greatest number in this example? 47 is the greatest number and 43 is the smallest number. Let's start with another example. The numbers are 11, 9, 12, 8 and 10. Now let's arrange them in descending order. Which is the greatest number? Yes, 12 is the greatest number. So 12 comes on the top of the stairs. Next number will be 11. After that 10, then 9 and the smallest number is 8. 8 comes on the bottom. Understand beta? Okay, let's do a quick review by ascending order. Yes, numbers are 25, 21, 29, 12, 15. Now tell me which is the smallest number? Yes, 12 is the smallest number and 29 is the greatest number. Understand? Now let's arrange them in ascending order. First number is 12. Then which number come? Yes, 15. The next number will be 15. After that 21. Next 25 and last one is 29. Now let's arrange the numbers in descending order. The numbers are 30, 22, 28, 19 and 25. Number 19 is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? Yes, 30. 30 is the greatest number. Let's start with the greatest number. The first number is 30. After that 28. The next will be 25. Then 22 and lastly 19. I hope you all understand this topic. Thanks.